So I'm going to be using the new Deck of Scarlet palette. If you haven't heard of Deck of Scarlet, it's basically a bi-monthly subscription box where you get everything you need for a look. And this palette, this is probably, again, one of my favorite palettes from them. I'm going to take this yellow eyeshadow. It's not a matte shadow, but it's not exactly a shimmery shadow either. It's kind of a mix of in between. And I'm going to take that and run that into my crease, kind of just like a background color, more or less. I really like a yellow orange background, so I'm going to take that color with a Sigma E38 blending brush and just do that just a little bit above my crease. And then I'm going to take the blush color. It's a really pretty peachy blush color, and I'm going to run that into my crease again, just a little bit lower, try not to cover up any of that yellow color. And then I'm going to take the black from the palette, which looks like straight up coal because it's so black. I'm going to apply that to the inner and outer corner, and I'm basically kind of just patting it down where I want it, and then I'm going to blend out and diffuse the edges, but not blending too high up because, again, I don't want to lose my transition shade. So I'm basically just packing it on where I want it and then blending it, and I'm putting that in the inner corner and in the outer corner and kind of connecting it in the middle on top. And this month's palette comes with this really pretty glitter eyeliner pen, and oh, I fell in love with this. The color is just so pretty. It's so easy to use, and it's kind of just a really easy way to get like a dramatic, effortlessly dramatic look. Like this glitter was everything. I loved it. Before I finish my eyes, I'm going to do my face, and I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Primer. For foundation, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin, and I'm in the color Y245. For concealer, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going to switch to Jouer's High Coverage Concealer, and I'm just going to go use this on down the center of my face, I guess. I'm going to set that before it creases. I don't really bake under my eyes because they're pretty dry to begin with, so I kind of just press it in with my beauty blender and kind of just blend it out at the same time. I'm kind of jumping all over the place right now, but before I finish my face, I'm going to finish my eyes. I'm going to take this color Onyx right here, which is such an intense black. So I'm going to take that under my eyes, under my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the blush, which is called Moonstone, and I'm going to blend that out. For my waterline, I'm going to use a black eyeliner, which is from Milk Makeup, and it is Do they have colors? I don't even know. Boss? Maybe that's a color, but it's black. I'm going to warm up my face a little bit, and I'm going to use this Girlatick matte bronzer in Cabo. I'm going to clean up under my cheeks with the Milani translucent banana powder. Then I'm going to go back to the blush and use it for blush. It looks really pretty. I really like a peach blush. That's pretty. I like that. I really like that blush color. Actually, I really like this whole palette. All the color, the whole color combo and everything, I really like this, especially with that glitter. I think this highlighter that's in the palette, I think it's going to be a little too dark. I'm going to use the Glow palette from Glam Glow, and I usually just mix these two. And then for lipstick, you open this side of the palette and it comes with two different cream lipsticks, so I'm going to use the color Koi. Really pretty color. It's kind of got like a little shimmer to it. I really like this palette. I love the whole color combo. It will be listed in the description box below to where you can get this at, along with all the other details, so don't forget to check that out.